Well, he attack me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about is Jaden Place. See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation. We no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning upon the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, don't know. But click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share upon the vlog in truth. Now, where some people are talk as if this matter is not a matter of major importance, like when you never watch the video of Vybz Kartel's birthday celebration and realize one thing: who never did it? Who was not present for his own birthday celebration? The cake that showcase accolades, some won't change nothing from the cake cutting ceremony. One of the teachers' most celebrated achievements is the fact say, yo, him have him youth them and them raised right. So of course, them to cut the cake and celebrate more to change nothing about that. But some people seem to be content with seeing videos and receiving music. We are not as such. However, the music viewers and subscribers, speaking of the music, big up Gaza Nation, big up all fans of Vybz Kartel, big up Vybz Kartel himself, little Vybz, little Addy, Sharp Boss, Iko them, you know what I mean? Renee, Sicker Rhymes, the VP, everybody that was a part of this project. A superb production as promised and hit as top the charts, viewers and subscribers, just as expected. You know what I mean? We have some people that talk about first song, first this, first that. Now see them trial gone on one part. Them take time, draw with themselves, creature them. Because Gaza Nation is in full effect, viewers and subscribers. We'll start off the year with a bang. Now, let's get into the reasoning. Jamaican attorney at law Bert Samuels, viewers and subscribers, has been appointed to an international commission of inquiry into cases of victims of police violence, extrajudicial slayings, as they would say, and the overall entrenched structure of a certain level of racism, they say, that is in the forces and their practices rather throughout the United States. Now I'm stating this, viewers and subscribers, is not a similar commission needed here locally for not just the JCF, but now even the practices of the prosecution, the ODPP, viewers and subscribers, not specifically the DPP, but the entire office itself. Now, make a point out a reason, big up 10 star. They point out something to me recently. Him say, you know why? First and foremost, the DPP sought to retain her job as DPP, and that's something we're going to elaborate on further to in our next video. But he said, think about it. If she was no longer the DPP, do you feel the new DPP, whoever them did appoint, would have that much quote unquote dislike for Vybz Kartel, viewers and subscribers, and go as far as to try to hold on the phone? Maybe if it was a different DPP, they would have already released that exhibit, and maybe the teacher would have been home already. Maybe that's a far speculation because we can't judge the time of the court proceedings. We don't know, you know what I mean, the duration of the process. But at least it would have already been on the way. There would be no hold-ups on the part of the prosecution's office. I think we need a commission into their practices as well. While our problems might not be in that ism, but there is still a level of classism that is taking place right here on the island, because people point to the fact that if you are from a particular family, whether by in-law relations or you have connections with a certain set of people raised in a particular geographical location here on the island, quote unquote uptown, or which part rich people them live, there's always the instance that when you have a run-in with the law, your situation is always that much different from an individual who is walking the opposite side of the street, meaning living on opposite terms, not from a wealthy family, not living in a quote-unquote upper class area of the island, living in quote-unquote the garrison. Situations are always different for them. The outcome of these situations are always different for them, viewers and subscribers. But I feel like we need a commission too. We're going to look into the practices of the prosecution and the way them handle themselves as well. Just like, remember, overseas now them said the catalyst for this move was the George Floyd situation. I am saying this, locally, the catalyst for our judicial changes are forward from none other than Vybz Kartel's case itself. These atrocities have been happening for years now. Different families will tell you of different cases, numerous. However, it was Vybz Kartel and the highlight of his case will bring most of this to the attention of the public. Even Bert Samuels, the highest profile case he has been a part of to date is the Vybz Kartel situation. And he has been added to the commission of international lawyers fighting for causes similar to the ones faced by Vybz Kartel and the co-accused. You are telling me that it was not based on the work where them see him put in on his most recent case. Him have only a case with him tries differently still. He's an active lawyer. He's a practicing lawyer. However, his biggest was representing Sean Storm. His biggest, undoubtedly. This case is the biggest case the island has ever seen. So working and being a part of this case has to be his biggest case ever. And it has gained the attention of North American lawyers themselves. But I feel like the same commission is needed here locally, viewers and subscribers. No way, shape. There's no way we could say the practices of the prosecution should go unchecked. And we can't just use the bar. No, we can't just use them. Because unless allegations are reported, signed off and reach them ears, nothing gonna happen. And the powers that be not gonna make that happen neither. As I'm gonna tell you, there is merit in the thought that one of the reasons why the DPP was retained, remember, she was at the end of her tenure. She never need for work no more. She qualify for pension. She could get the free money, as what them call it. She could have go collect the free money. But to choose to say, oh no, more years not the work. I think about, and I don't even think another 10 years. It wasn't even not long like that. There's some couple more years. And the GS say, yo, think about it. She did it for go on, hold on upon the bird itself. Basically, and for ensure, say, yo, when the upper class reach in a certain situation, there are no charges filed against. You know what I mean? The case don't go that far. There's no extra pressure applied by the system. Because remember, in a court of law, the prosecution represents the weight of the system. And your defense is defending you against charges being brought against you. So I guess when the rights of the people them reach and she's there, there'll be no pressure applied. And you know what I mean? Them ship can sail smoothly. It must be why she's there. Who reach the age where them can collect the free money and decide them don't want the free money. Even the judge retire and run off and go and collect free money. I understand. The first way I see this. The first way I see this. We might see it with certain politicians. It's more reminiscent of actions by them. Because sometimes I wonder why them not retire too. But at the first we see this have somebody who's just holding a government post. Refusing to, step aside. We need a same commission to inquire into the practices we are going over this. Because it's almost like it's a separate entity to itself. But they don't know what are going over there. So they might tamper with evidence and present in a work court and the judge and make them go on. I understand this. But I see the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and yes, I'm reminding you now. If you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, and of course they like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all. And this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here on the platform. The like icon there too, drop a like on the blog for me like we here. Share icons in close proximity. Was a share to the man. Tell a friend, tell a friend. If tell them sister and tell brother them. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there, and we can continue the reason via the comment section. You know what I mean? So feel free to drop your thoughts and your opinions there. Sup me night. You know what I mean? The practices we are going over there, somebody need for them to keep them in check. And we can't just use the bar to just regulate lawyers, because certain practices are being implemented over there. Just like how JCF needs somebody to oversee them in the sense of income, we're gonna need somebody with, you know what I mean, of a stronger force for the judicial system to as well. Up move settings, fam. Until the reason again, me I say live, love, and prosper.